how to unblock my Telegram channel. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to unblock my Telegram channel. First of all, open up the Telegram app. After opening up the app, you have to make sure that you have a Nicegram bot in it. So to add a Nicegram bot, you need to open up the Nicegram app and make sure you have created your account on it. Then get back to Telegram and tap on the search bar. Now search here for Nicegram bot. After that, click to open its chat. Once you get into its chat, make sure to choose both options it provides. And after that, you'll be able to unblock all the channels you want. To do that, tap on the search bar. After that, search for any channels you want to unblock. And then tap to unblock the channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.